Hey, hi, I'm Karishma from Maxun. One of the most common questions asked is how to extract product details from multiple products. What I really mean is, if we extract a list of products from a page, how do we automatically extract all the specific details for each individual product by navigating to their separate pages? So, today, I'm going to show you how this can be easily achieved with Maxon's Deep Extract feature. We will be extracting all the companies listed on Y Combinator and automatically get the individual details for each company, all with a single robot. So let's get started. So now we're in recording mode and we'll go ahead and get all the companies we need with capture list. Right. So we have all the data we need. You can confirm or discard as per your requirements. I'm going to confirm. I am happy with the data. Just one more thing that we always need to extract the URLs of the product, company, whatever you're extracting. Now, okay, the site uses scroll down pagination, so we put that. And just for demo purposes, we'll extract 10 companies. Perfect. This is exactly the data we need. Now we can go ahead and extract details from a single company. In this case, it's DoorDash. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay. Now we are in the single company page and we can extract anything we want from here. But to keep things fast and simple, I'm going to go ahead and extract just more details about the company. We're going to call it company details. You can obviously tweak it how you want. You can extract anything from this page, but let's just keep it really simple now. And let's see the preview. Okay, this is perfect. And yes, we have the individual details too. So we can go ahead and save this robot. Now let's go ahead and choose Deep Extract. There are two possible ways via which you can provide the URLs for bulk extraction: manually via CSV or JSON files, or using automated collection. We're going to go for automated collection. So, how automated collection works is we will first get all the companies, and later on, all the URLs extracted by this initial run will be used to bulk extract details. Like you can see, these are exactly all the companies that we need. And now, if we rerun the robot, we will get details for all of these companies, not just DoorDash. Okay, like you can see, perfect. We have details not just for DoorDash, but a lot of companies, be it GitLab or anything similar. And we also have all the companies together. So, yeah, this is how easy it is. See you on the other side.